You have 5 cube plus 5 division 6 square minus 7 square minus 26. Every simplification question need to be done using PEMDAS rule. So first solve for parenthesis. In this question you have 3 parentheses 1, 2 and 3. This can be solved separately and in double parenthesis always start with inner 1. In 5 cube plus 5 we have exponential and addition and exponent comes before addition. Solve for 5 cube. In this case also you have exponential and subtraction, so solve for exponential first. 125 plus 5 is 130 and 49 minus 26 is 23. And between 6 square and subtraction, solve 6 square first. (36 minus 23 gives 13. 130 division 13 gives 10.